Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Turakya and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, I'll be sharing my honest review and talk about hair care product which has become a hair care essential for me. Recently, I have purchased it from Amazon sale and you already know what the product is because I have mentioned and spoken about it in my earlier video and the link I'll mention below. Let's unbox it. What I am referring to is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. I have been using this serum after my first purchase. I am going to talk about packaging, price, ingredients, texture, how to apply, what all uses and benefits you'll get out of this product, etc. So let's get started. This goes in my makeup bag as a freeze timer on the go. The best thing about this is it does not weigh your hair down. Let's first talk about the packaging. So the packaging that you get here comes in this box. Let us open to see the product. It is obviously a very luxurious premium looking glass bottle. It is affordable product and the price is ₹299 for 30 ml of quantity. I grabbed in good discounted deal of ₹179 only. It comes in other variant which is of 100 ml of quantity. For larger variant you will get along with the pump. I have brought this travel size mini bottle. Talking about ingredients, it has coconut oil, soya bean oil and the product is unique. So the lightweight formula of serum is infused with a blend of 6 rare flower oils: lotus, tear, rose, chamomile, flax, sunflower, and also has soft fragrance. It has other botanical extracts that deeply nourish dull and lifeless hair. For full ingredients list, please check out their website. As you can see from the bottle how much of this I have used, which says about the volumes, about the fact that I like the product. It is suitable for all hair types. Easy to dispense the product and also control the amount that you want to dispense at one time. So coming to the texture of this product, it has oil-like texture that locks in the moisture into your hair follicles, making them feel smooth and silky. And what I love about this is it's really lightweight, non-sticky. Even besides the fact that it has oils in it, aroma makes hair feel fresh. Let's see how to use this product. Apply after shampoo and conditioner for instant shine and silky hair touch. Rub 3-4 precious drops between your palms to warm this antifreeze hair serum. Apply evenly through the lengths and the ends on wet or dry hair. This hair serum leaves you with extraordinarily soft, smooth, frizz-free and shiny hair. The result is nice after first use. You could just run your fingers through it and it detangles your hair easily. This is the kind of product to go for. You can use it before shampoo for nourishment, after washing for detangling, before styling for heat protection, as an overnight DIY spa and many other ways. For more uses, please check out the description space below. Now the product claims to be all of this, for which I vouch for all for sure. It definitely smoothens, nourishes your hair, protects from heat, also detangles your hair. That's all from me today guys. I hope you liked this video. Let me know your experience of using this product in the comment section below. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye. Take care and be safe. Peace.